Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to edit a beautiful and impressive sunset photo from a murky photo. Then cloudy situations like this are very normal. Normally, when I takes pictures, I rarely pairs clouds. Except for cases where I want the photo to be particularly impressive or at the request of the customer. Because I take pictures according to the customer's request. In this tutorial, I will share with you some methods and techniques which ordinary people often fall into when they manipulate the thing of replacing clouds. This leads to the fact that the image is unnatural. Then this is a raw file. I will open this file. Then with this light, I delete it very easily. I can create a new layer and I shift delete it. Very quick. Then I deleted the lamp. I always delete the arm. I will post this part later. Since it's almost out of the frame, I'm going to pull this dress out too, so it loses this arm. Okay. Then with a photo like this, editing it is not too difficult. Which if in case you don't shoot like me. If you don't shoot in a fine art style like me, you burn the sky, it's very easy to replace the sky color. However, I advise you to keep the sky. Because of the fact that I have the sky, I replace the photo with it more easy. I'll do it normally first. I set up the normal process. Because you have to edit the beautiful picture, then you can combine clouds. It is more suitable. The subject is beautiful and clear, then it will be more convenient to put clouds in it. Then I will find this photo a bit yellowish, the skin. I will reduce the white balance again. By subtracting color cast. With color cast, I subtract white balance. Then I will make the photo less yellow. Before, after. Then now I will whiten my skin more by choosing skin, white skin. I scan the skin. I can also change its scale. By the way, I choose to reduce it if I find it too bright. Then I think 60% is okay. In this picture, I can see that his skin is slightly red. Reddened. Then I will deal with red skin by choosing skin. Choose reduce red. Then, after I'm done with my selection, I sweep it into my skin. I see that the skin is now it's red. It's back. Recurred. Then I will reduce the opacity later. Then you just sweep on the part of the skin that you see is red. Usually when taking pictures with a red dress, its skin is very red, please note this. After I finish scanning, I will reduce the opacity again. I think about 40% is okay. Here before, after. That's either 30%. In fact, to edit photos, I will guide you on how to do it. And everyone will have a different taste. So nothing is right and nothing is wrong. Then after I've done the reddening, now I will make my dress more bold. Her dress is a bit light, I will add color cast and add red. Then you see that the dress is more bold. However, it suffers from the problem that it is applied to the skin. The red color affects the skin. I will reset brush. 100% opacity and flow, I subtracted this skin. Then you will see that its skin is not discolored. Then now I will smooth the skin by choosing skin, beauty skin. I zoned in the skin area. Enter. Then I zoom in, I will scan the part I want to smooth. Then you see when I sweep it, the skin will be smooth. The skin part, I think everyone can do this. That part has noise, uneven skin, I will scan it. Just part of it. Then this is a picture that is quite far away so you can pick up acne. However, I doesn't like that the skin is too smooth. Because it wouldn't be real. Then this acne, I merge the layer. Then I delete it by selecting spot healing. I delete. Very easy, very fast. This fly item you can delete. However, as Sam's customers, they do not like to delete the fly item, they want to keep it. Then you can erase these little marks. Okay, then after I finished adjusting the skin, lighting, dress. So now I will adjust to the sky. Then you see the sky now it is not beautiful. Then how to make it beautiful. So here's a note. This part only applies to Photoshop 2021 and above, which is sky replacement. I click here. FineArt Secret has a lot of exclusive cloud colors. You will see a lot. I will choose the appropriate cloud. Now I want to combine sunset. I will choose sunset clouds. Then a problem that many of you encounter is choosing the wrong cloud. For example, in this picture I see the horizon line, the contiguous line is blue. Then please choose yellow clouds. Let I show you, then you will see it is very fake. I clicked. Here I see. It looks very fake. This is a mistake that people often make. Because the cloud and the sea are not compatible with each other. Note this, and now I will guide you how to choose the right cloud colors. I will cancel this now, I will not take this. Then I go to sky replacement. I will choose which colors below it are blue. Do you see? Blue it turns yellow. So now I choose to try this cloud. You see this cloud coming in, it is very suitable. Do you see? Now I'm okay, I choose it. Here you see? It is very suitable. It is not fake. Now I will try another example for you. I also choose the sky one. I will choose these cloud colors. It's okay to choose blue. This is also a blue cloud at its feet. Then you click. That you see? It is also very appropriate. That's the secret to grafting your own clouds and leaving it real. Then you have to choose the color it is compatible with the actual color. Then I will drop this. Now before adding clouds, I will recompose this photo. Then this picture I can scroll over here to lose the arm part. Do you see? You can keep this picture in the middle or rearrange 1/3, then a little bit I will recompose. So now I will go to the cloud selection. I will choose the clouds how to match. Sky replacement, I will now choose this cloud, I think it's beautiful. I choose to enter. Then you see? It is very real, compatible. Then I'm okay. I can also change the position of the clouds, for example here. I press Ctrl T, I change the position. Do you see? You scroll down it's still real. But scrolling down here means it's fake, right? Because of these two borders it is not compatible with each other. So I note that I will drag this part of the cloud to make it change color. Then the more green it is, the more real it is. Do you see? From here it is very real. Yes, it has displacement. So now, always, when I graph the clouds, it will be partially haunted by the skin. Now I will create a mask on top. Then I will choose B, brush. Except for my skin. You can zoom carefully to subtract. I remember to change the black mask on top, the white mask on the bottom. Zoom in. Then I will sweep into my skin. Then there are many clouds for you to choose from. Note that my technique is to choose the horizon lines it touches, it fits together. Then it will have a cloud it is very real. It is not fake. Before, after. The part where you should be wrong is this part of the horizon. It's very fake, now I have solved this problem. Okay, I'll merge this picture. Before, after. Then I will recompose this photo. First, to make this photo more impressive, I can pull out the long skirt. By being V, I pull the dress up. And I will pull the dress longer. Then these are optional options, you may or may not like. You can change the way your taste in photo editing. Then I likes this dress, it looks more impressive. Such example. Or you can leave it as is. Then the next thing you can change is that you recompose this photo. So this picture is taken in the middle, but I can recompose the golden ratio. This is the golden ratio. Then to use this golden ratio you will click on this golden spiral section. I have to press C, crop. Then the golden spiral. I ended up dragging the picture. When I came down here, I saw that this is the golden ratio. But here it is missing. I will drag this photo over here. At this point, I already have the golden ratio layout. I can click here. And in this corner, I can pull the skirt out. Then you see, I have edited the picture, before, after. However, you can still keep this middle layout. This is an option only. Everyone has a different taste in photo editing. With his tutorials, I always shows you how to do it. How to do it depends on each person. Then next, I can still squeeze this dress. By the way, I will create a new layer and I will choose liquefy. I will deal with people. I will make the subject's arm a little sick. This depends on customer requirements. Normally, I just squeeze as lightly. The most important thing is how to take a good photo when shooting. Then the beautiful shooting techniques I has guided in the lighting section. My lighting course. Then here I can continue to block these parts to make it more prominent. By choosing dodge, I block it. Then this picture you see is the sunset part, and the sea part it is not really compatible. Now you can add a preset to add sunset here. Then when you add sunset, you see that now the whole picture is yellow. And I will reduce this yellowing part. I choose reset brush. I will reduce 70% on the subject, then I zoom in and I scan. Scan on the subject to reduce this yellow cast. Then it's up to you. You can reduce 50, 70%. But when I reduce it, the subject is not haunted much. Now reduce 50%. When there's yellow on the dress, then you see that the photo it all has changed to a tone that is more suitable for each other, suitable for the sunset. Then I finished editing this photo. Then you can crop this image, before, after. Then you can crop this photo to 1/3 or golden ratio or keep it like this. Or I pull up. Make the part where the skirt is wider. These are up to your preferences and taste in photo editing. Okay, and now I'm done with this photo.